Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the wallpaper from this device. So if you go to your settings and tap on the option wallpaper, then you will not get any option to delete the wallpaper. You can see there is only one option set as current wallpaper. Otherwise you can add new wallpaper. There is no option to delete the wallpaper. Okay, so let me show you how to delete the wallpaper. Simply go to your lock screen and press and hold the lock screen. Okay, so here you can see all the wallpapers you can see here. So if you want to delete any wallpaper, just swipe up. You can see the delete option, right? Tap on the option delete. You can see this wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and the home screen. Tap on the option delete this wallpaper. You can see that wallpaper is deleted successfully. So again I will show you. If you want to delete this one, just swipe up. Tap on the option delete button. Now confirm this with the delete this wallpaper. That's it. So simply in this way we can delete the wallpaper from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.